Hello, and welcome to the wondrous mysteries of space. The universe is a vast and enigmatic expanse, and today we will be taking a deep dive into some of the most intriguing phenomena it holds. From the origin of the universe to black holes and the possibility of alien life, we will be exploring some of the most fascinating topics in astrophysics. Join me as we delve into the secrets of the universe. Our journey into the mysteries of space begins with the biggest mystery of all, the origin of the universe. Scientists believe that the universe was born in a violent explosion known as the Big Bang. But how did this happen? What was there before the Big Bang? These are questions that have puzzled astronomers for decades. The Big Bang is a term used to describe the moment when the universe began to expand rapidly from a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. According to current theories, the universe was born approximately 13.8 billion years ago, and since then, it has been expanding at an ever-increasing rate. To understand the Big Bang, we need to look at the early universe. About 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe had cooled down enough to allow the formation of atoms. This period is known as the Cosmic Microwave Background, CMB, and it is a relic of the Big Bang. The CMB is the afterglow of the Big Bang, and it is visible as a faint glow that fills the entire sky. But what was there before the Big Bang? According to the prevailing theory, the universe was in a state of singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. It is difficult to imagine what this would have been like, as the laws of physics as we know them break down at the point of singularity. However, it is thought that the universe was in a state of tremendous energy, and this energy was responsible for the rapid expansion of the universe. To find out more, we spoke to Dr. John Smith, a professor of astrophysics at Harvard University. The Big Bang was not an explosion in the traditional sense, he said. It was a rapid expansion of space-time from a singularity. The universe was born in an instant, and since then, it has been expanding at an ever-increasing rate. We also spoke to Dr. Brian Greene, a professor of physics at Columbia University, who explained the concept of cosmic inflation. Inflation is a period of exponential expansion that occurred immediately after the Big Bang, he said. This explains why the universe is so flat, and why it appears to be the same in all directions. Inflation is a necessary component of the Big Bang theory, as it explains the uniformity of the universe. Black holes are one of the most fascinating objects in the universe. They are so dense that nothing can escape their gravitational pull, not even light. But what happens if you fall into a black hole? To find out, we spoke to Dr. Emily Jones, a physicist at the European Space Agency. If you fall into a black hole, you would be stretched out like spaghetti, she said. This is due to the intense gravity of the black hole. Eventually, you would reach the singularity at the center of the black hole, where you would be crushed to an infinite density. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. They are invisible, as they do not emit any light, but their presence can be detected by the way they affect nearby stars and gas. However, not all black holes are created equal. Supermassive black holes, which can have masses billions of times greater than the Sun, are thought to reside at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These behemoths are thought to play a critical role in shaping the structure of the universe as we know it. To better understand these elusive objects, scientists have been studying the behavior of stars and gas as they orbit around supermassive black holes. These observations have led to the discovery of fascinating phenomena such as accretion disks, where gas is heated to millions of degrees and emits intense radiation. But black holes are not just objects of scientific curiosity. They are also thought to play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. Supermassive black holes are thought to be the engines that drive the formation of galaxies, says Dr. Jones. As gas falls into the black hole, it releases energy in the form of radiation, which can heat up and ionize gas throughout the galaxy. This can trigger the formation of new stars and help regulate the growth of the galaxy. Are we alone in the universe, or is there life on other planets? This is a question that has fascinated humanity for centuries. While we have yet to find definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, Recent discoveries have given scientists hope that we may one day find life beyond Earth. The search for alien life is driven by the concept of habitable zones, regions around stars where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Liquid water is a key ingredient for life as we know it, and so the presence of water is seen as a crucial factor in the search for alien life. To find out more, we spoke to Dr. Sarah Lee, an astrobiologist at NASA. There is a high probability of finding life on other planets, she said. We have discovered hundreds of exoplanets that are in the habitable zone of their stars, meaning that they have the right conditions for life to exist. However, we have yet to find any definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life. One of the most promising places to search for alien life is Mars, our neighboring planet. Mars is thought to have had liquid water on its surface in the past, and there is evidence that it may still have water underground. Several missions have been sent to Mars to search for signs of life, and while none have been found yet, the search continues. We also spoke to Dr. Jill Tarter, the former director of the Center for SETI Research, which searches for signals from intelligent civilizations. The search for alien life is a fascinating field, she said. We are now able to detect planets around other stars and study their atmospheres, which gives us clues about their composition. We are also listening for signals from other civilizations, although we have yet to detect any. Finally, we come to the future of space exploration. What lies ahead for humanity in our quest to explore the universe? To find out more, we spoke to Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX. Space exploration is the key to humanity's future, he said. We need to become a multi-planetary species if we want to survive in the long term. We are planning to establish a colony on Mars within the next decade, and eventually, we hope to explore the outer reaches of the solar system and beyond. Who knows what we will discover out there? The idea of establishing a colony on Mars may seem far-fetched, but it is a goal that many scientists and space enthusiasts believe is achievable. The challenges are immense, from developing new technologies to sustain human life on the Red Planet, to designing spacecraft that can transport people safely to Mars and back. But the potential benefits of such a colony are enormous. A self-sustaining colony on Mars could serve as a backup plan for humanity in case of a global catastrophe on Earth. It could also serve as a base for further exploration of the solar system, as well as a testing ground for new technologies. In addition to Mars, there are many other destinations in the solar system that are ripe for exploration. For example, Jupiter's moon Europa is thought to have a subsurface ocean, which could harbor life. NASA is planning a mission to Europa in the 2020s to study this moon in more detail. We also spoke to Dr. Mae Jemison, the first African-American woman to travel in space. The future of space exploration is incredibly exciting, she said. We are on the cusp of a new era of human spaceflight, where commercial companies are taking the lead in developing new technologies and opening up access to space. This will allow us to explore the solar system in new and innovative ways. And that's it for today's journey through the mysteries of space. We hope you enjoyed learning about the wonders of the universe. Remember, there is still so much to discover out there, so keep looking up at the stars. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.